Naeem Saab, we as eager young geoscientists have been following you for quite some time now, and I personally would like to congratulate the new string of discoveries at Khadro level, which your company has done in Badin and Mebu Khas areas. Apart from that, you have chased strat plays, especially the sand bodies in Simbar, and the optimized drilling strategies. So they are always a lesson learned for us companies, and we follow those lessons, and we try to follow the footsteps which you have laid. So while a lot of good things have been done, what do you think else can be done better? इससे ज़्यादा बेहतरी क्या आ सकती है? कोई आप इस पर अगर हमें guidance दें?
Yes, thank you, Sarmat. So glad to be here among the peers. I think I'm the only one from a foreign oil company. So when we look at the exploration space, I like to think of a cube of lithosphere that has different plays spread around within the framework of a petroleum system. Some plays are proven, some are not proven. And within the layers where we have proven plays, there may be unproven play also. So really it comes down to the bigger, how the business activities are being executed. And for that I like to think of, and this is how I also show in the articles, of a triangle where in the center of it is the strategy and the portfolio. And the portfolio is really the play and prospect inventory, what we call hopper in UEP and before in BP. So how your hopper is built. So it has a mix of all those different plays. And the plays that can deliver in-year sustainability, in-year production, net income, and the plays which can bring you a long-term, the longevity. And that's where the frontier exploration that my colleagues have been talking about. So on the three vertices of that triangle, I like to think of the process on one side, that is really the technical assurance and capital allocation framework. That has to be robust. Secondly is the workflows and technologies that we will see some papers around. Most of the work that the geoscientists do, they are around these workflows and the case studies and all that. And in that also comes how your database and knowledge base is structured, and that's where the big data comes in. That's where the repositories, how they are interconnected, so that you can do the querying and analytics and all that. And the third piece is the operations side, the execution piece. Now, we spend a lot of time on the workflows and technologies. We don't spend a lot of time on the assurance of the ideas that are born. The Wallace Pruitt once said that the oil is first born in the mind of human beings. So it is important to deliberately and methodically manage those ideas and their progression. So the stage gate process allows you to do that. So capture all those ideas. The most wild idea, sometime it pans out and gives you those, makes that charisma. So these discoveries that you talked about, we have been working on those for on those plays for last 4 or 5 years. In the lower Indus, in the middle Indus, on the Lakra High, in the Badin area. And, but we could not prepare a case to show to the stakeholders that there's enough charm in it. They would always say a couple of BCF, 5 BCF doesn't make any sense to us. And that's where the string of pearls idea comes in. So if you have 20 prospects and you do back to back, 20 of those, 12 or 15 are discoveries, then it makes sense. So this was the idea behind this. But the assurance process is the key. And the operating efficiency or operating performance, that really comes how agile you are in progressing those opportunities to the rig And at the same time, when you do your well, you do the RCA, root cause analysis, and you bring on the table the failure factors and the success factors, and loop those back into the next round. And this is how the continuous improvement cycle starts. And this is where the operating efficiency as well as reducing the chance of failure comes. And that is the fundamental, in not only in stratigraphic traps and these new plays. Your knowledge base has to be robust and easy to be to access, so that you can quickly bring out of that the knowledge in terms of reservoir, in terms of trap geometries and all that, and deploy those quickly. So that's where the agility as well as not losing the organizational knowledge in the sea of information. So these three things are very important in that.
Truly informative, sir. And I would just like to add that these wells, news discoveries have been drilled very smartly, and UEPL has also utilized the new technology of CWD successfully in these wells. So all the best for the near future, and we'll continue following you for more learning.